Hey guys, my name's Chris. I'm one of the founders of the Hoxton Mix. Since 2010, we've been a virtual office, co-working space, community and networking centre in the heart of London. We were founded on the idea that people network far better in a relaxed environment, such as a pub, and we were determined to make networking far more effective for small business, as we know from experience that face-to-face networking is the best way to pitch your business and be remembered. So we launched the Hoxton Mix. We've been to lots of networking events, just packed with people, all trying to sell themselves. It just doesn't help. We knew we could do something better, so we got in contact with brands and organised events where our customers could pitch to them and also to each other in an open mic style. The response was amazing. We needed a way to get everyone together, so we got ourselves an office. It's amazing to think what we've achieved, and I've loved every minute of making it happen. So my advice for small businesses who are networking is jot down what you're looking for from the networking event. Is it to raise your profile? Is it to meet key individuals? Then it'll make life far easier when you attend the event.